Peelers are great, but their design doesn't work for all fruits and vegetables. And with a knife, it can be tough to cut around anything that's oddly shaped. Here's how to peel ginger and kiwi with a simple kitchen utensil. You're gonna wanna ditch these and use a spoon. A go-to kitchen technique is to simply scrape the skin off with a spoon. You wouldn't think so, but a little light pressure will scrape that skin right off. A spoon will make it easy to peel in the crevices and around those nubs. With a knife, you end up wasting a lot of ginger. With a spoon, you keep all of it intact. Do this over a trash can, make it a lot easier for cleanup. Now that's getting your money's worth, ready for slicing, grating, right into your recipe. Also use a spoon to peel kiwis. Cut both ends off the kiwi. Kiwi, so much fun to say. Put the spoon between the skin and the fruit and gently move around. You'll feel it separating and going all the way through. It's coming off so easily. This really is the easiest and best way I've ever peeled a kiwi. Just like that. Soup, cereal, and peeling. A peeler like this is such a common kitchen tool, but it holds a couple secrets. Here's some extra ways you can use a peeler. There's a blade on both sides, so speed up peeling and use a back and forth motion. Instead of one motion at a time, use a back and forth. Look at that, already done. Veggie noodles are so trendy, but you don't need a spiralizer. You can make vegetable ribbons just with your peeler. This is zoodles of fun and no special knife skills needed. Thin strips or wider ribbons. Or use this method for paper thin slices. It helps to give it a quarter turn every slice. Frankie says relax. Secrets of the peeler revealed. Now that's a double-edged sword. Knives come in many shapes and sizes, but there's one cutting tool you could be using more often. Here's some handy ways to use kitchen shears. Canned fruits and vegetables can get real messy on a cutting board. You can keep the mess inside the can and use shears. Scissors are the key to keep it simple and clean. This is mildly therapeutic too. If it's something packed in liquid, you can drain it first. Get these chopped up for my famous dip recipe. Cut through the heart and you're to blame. Reach for your scissors instead of that knife for herbs, green onion, hard to cut proteins like bacon, and shrimp. Now that's how to cut it out. Thanks for watching Problem Solve. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out some of our other videos like these two right here.